Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how we make a very awesome, popular Hawaiian treat. It's called Haupia and it's basically like a coconut gelatin or a coconut pudding. You can make it thick or thin and it's super simple. This is how we do it. All right, first we're going to take 1 can of coconut milk. This is unsweetened. If you use sweetened, just don't add the sugar. Okay, I've got this on medium heat, and to that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. The goal of this part is just to get the sugar to be melted and incorporated in there. All right, we're just going to keep constantly whisking this until it starts to simmer. Smells amazing already. Okay, it's starting to simmer. I'm just turn this down just a little bit because it's... All right, okay, so I have a 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch to it, which is probably something I should have done before I started, but I was too excited. All right, so I'm going to get that a quick mix in here. Now that that's mixed in, we're going to slowly pour this in and whisk the entire time, or you're going to get some clumps, and that's not going to be happy. So we're going to slowly pour this in. And it's gonna start to get thick. This is about where I want it to get, because I'm gonna do mine a little bit thicker than pudding. I'm gonna use mine to cut up into little bar snacks. But you can make this as thin or as thick as you'd like. You can make it, like I said, with puddings for fillings. You can fill your bread with it. You can make malasadas. Your pani popo, you could fill that if you'd like. Okay, I'm gonna take this off the heat and spray down a pan real quick. This is a 8 by 8 glass baking dish. I'm just gonna get some coconut grease on there. All right. And into the pan we go. It smells delicious though. It smells very good. Okay. I'm just gonna give that a little jiggle. Then we're gonna let this cool for between 1 and 2 hours, depending on your fridge. And we're gonna meet you back here to cut them up and eat them. Okay, it's been a couple of hours. Our haupia is set. Let's dig in. All right. Ooh, yeah. Check that out. Oh, that smells amazing too. Okay. Here we go. Mmm. Just like I remember. That's good stuff. Mmm. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you make any adjustments to it. I'd like to hear from you too. Have a good one.